Brenda calls Cyrus and tells him that Darius has already come home and has also brought gifts for Kaio, and Brenda tells him that Darius is playing with Kaio. And Cyrus is surprised to hear Brenda's words, and Cyrus thinks why Darius has brought gifts for Kaio at night, and Cyrus does not feel well and Cyrus wants to reach home quickly. And after some time Cyrus comes inside the house and the lights of the house are also off, and Cyrus is calling Brenda and Kaio, and Cyrus does not see anyone in the house. And then Cyrus calls Brenda and is asking about Kaio and Darius, and Brenda tells Cyrus that Kaio and Darius are both down in the basement, and Cyrus is very shocked that why Darius would bring a gift for Kaio so early in the night. And then Cyrus moves towards the basement. Then Cyrus starts hearing sounds from the basement, and Cyrus has a doubt that Darius is acting evil again, and Cyrus is worried about Kaio, and Cyrus hears Kaio laughter, and then Cyrus enters the basement. And Cyrus sees that Darius is playing with Kaio, and Darius is wearing the same black dress that Cyrus had borrowed, and Cyrus suspects that maybe it could be the evil twin. And it is seen that Darius and Kaio are playing happily, and Cyrus is very carefully moving towards Darius and Kaio, and Cyrus calls Darius but Darius is not answering, and Darius seems to be busy playing with Kaio, and Cyrus finds Darius acting very strange, and Cyrus touches Darius but Darius is not responding. And when Darius turns around and looks, Darius is possessed, and Cyrus quickly picks up Kaio in his arms, and Cyrus tries to push Darius out of the house. But Darius is not going, and Kaio is also looking at Darius, and Darius says that I have come to make Kaio laugh, and Darius has some strange makeup on his face. And Darius wants to talk to Kaio, and Cyrus does not understand what happened to Darius, but then Darius tells Cyrus the truth, and Darius is pranking Cyrus. And while Kaio is not afraid of Darius, and then Darius takes off the clock, and Darius has this second clock, and Darius starts playing with Kaio again. And Kaio is also looking happy with Darius, and Cyrus says that Darius has brought a very beautiful gift, and Darius is completely fine, and Darius actually has makeup on his face, and while Darius is trying his best to keep Kaio happy.